what I wanted to do was share with you how to wash your castor oil pack. It is very easy to wash your castor oil pack if you have a dishwasher. If you don't have a dishwasher, then we have to do a little bit more work, but it's not too bad. So here, my castor oil has seeped into the seam, so we're gonna wash it. So you take your pack, your lovely used pack, you place it in warm water, and you liberally add 2 to 4 tablespoons of baking soda. The reason for the baking soda and to soak it overnight is that baking soda actually helps to pull the castor oil off of the material. Let's fast forward 12 hours later. We take our pack out of the water and baking soda, and we wring it, and now we add a clean, natural, healthy soap to the pack, and we wash it. Then we remove all of the soap that may be left in your pack, wringing your pack again. Then you place it on an old tablecloth that you don't mind if it gets castor oil all over it. You roll it nice and tight, and then you wring it strongly, a little bit of bicep workout here, to make sure that you remove the remaining water and castor oil. Great, and now you have your castor oil pack all washed, all clean, ready to go. You simply need to lay it flat or hang it up to dry, and it's ready to go by the next day.